Hello, welcome to the 8-Bit Studios. Today I'm gonna, show you some C# components. Yeah, that sounded weird. Okay, anyways, first there's variables, and for variables there's integers. Uh, yes, anyways, ints are used to store whole numbers. Also, there are strings. Oh, okay. Also, there are strings which stores texts. Like if you say banana or uh I don't know, slushy, you can store that. And there's also booleans. It stores a value with two states, and I think it's some sort of a quantum variable. Yeah, I don't get it either. Next there are conditions. Now conditions are a bit, you know, complicated. Sorry for the, pause there. Okay, now for for those for conditions, there are uh this, which means less than. So if A is the main thing and the B is the second, then A is less than B, which is obvious. Oh, oh, never mind this. Okay, now there's also A this B, which means oh, which means greater than. And then there's I keep doing this. There's also this, which means oh, which means less than or equal to, and the other, you guessed it, greater than or equal to. I'll just write it here in case one of you have two brain cells. Okay. Now there's two more left for this AB stuff. Yeah, I don't get it either. It's complicated. There is A equals B, which means equal to. Okay, they made it easy. A uh, exclamation mark equals B, which means not equal to. Because in real life, if you try to write not equal to, you just smush a line with equals. Okay, and then that's all the AB parts. Now this is for the code itself. There's if, uh, else, else, and there's else if. Okay, so this is how you use it. Else if, yeah, like that. If you're using VS Code, it's pretty easy. You could just apply this to anything such as else, uh, yeah, like that. So now next there is, let me just raise that. Now there's loops. Now loops are like loop-de-loops because they're loops. Okay, so there is while, which repeats code while a given condition is true. Also, there is for, which is pretty similar to while, and then there is while. I mean, do this. Wait, while, while, well, anything else, and then which means similar to while, and it's similar to while, and it tests the condition of at the end. Don't think it's just the same as while. It's you use it at the end. Okay? Okay. Now there is arrays. For arrays, there's no specified code for arrays, you actually use a variable. Like if I say string, or integer. Let me just use a string. Let's say car. And then if I it's not this. Sorry. Car. We could say Ferrari, Porsche. I'm not a car expert, guys. I'm not. Just stick with me. And then there is Tesla. Okay, so there's methods. Now methods are pretty easy. You can either make your method like void something something, or you could just use void main, void update, and fixed update. Fixed update is quite specified. I don't know what to say about that. But you usually do it like this: void, let's say car, and then we could just do this. Sorry. Now we could write anything, yada yada, and then if you're done with coding inside the method you are doing, you can just go over to void main, like this, and then go down and this, and say void car, and then do this. So that's the end of the quick guide to C#. If I have to, there's probably a good possibility that I will post more languages such as Java or C++ or C. But I'll do that later. So thanks for watching.